Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to another RAMShard panel tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily enable 2FA on your control panel account. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to the control panel, and then when you're on the control panel, there will be a profile button at the top. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on it, you'll be greeted with a couple of options. You'll see the language, the theme, and current password, and your new and confirmed password. Now, the only option we're worried about here is actually where it says Enable Google Authenticator. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then you'll be greeted with a nice QR code. Go ahead and scan that in your Google Authenticator app. Once you do that, go ahead and put the Google Authenticator code it gives you, and then put your control panel password in. And then click Enable Google Authenticator. And after you do that, you'll need to use Google Authenticator every time you need to sign into the control panel. And that is how you easily set up 2FA for your control panel account. And if you have any more questions about this, feel free to contact us on our live chat.